curvaceous plus-size model and social media influencer from the United States of America. With her beauty and curvaceous body, she has managed to get over 233,000 followers on Instagram, and she is one of the top richest plus-size models from the United States of America. She owns multiple businesses, and she has even modeled and partnered with Fashion Nova Cafe. Make sure to leave a like for her and also share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more.